Alright, today we're headed to go pick some blueberries at the Knowlan Family Farm over here on Highway 34. Yeah, Highway 34. So, in Jackson, Missouri. So, I'm wearing my hat. So, Preston will wear his hat because we've been trying to get him to wear a hat in the summertime so it'll keep the sun off of him. So, we'll see you at the farm. Alright, we've got our buckets. And Preston's got his, and we are on our way to get blueberries. You ready to go pick blueberries? Alright. Preston, you picking blueberries?
Just eating. Just eating.
Eating up the blueberries.
You like them? How big are they back there? Another one. Mommy wants to eat one.
Comparatively, like if I look at this one, I would pick off.
Okay, so we got 3 buckets full of blueberries. They're not all the way full because somebody got a little fussy. So not only does Knowlan Family Farm have blueberries to pick, in the October they've got pumpkins and apples, peaches. Yeah, they've got it all out here. It's a really neat place. They got a few animals out here for the kids, playground for the kids, and really cool place.
Back for you, or no? Those are fine. That's fine.
Hello.
The final weigh-in. Well, Jess and Press mixed up a few blueberries a while ago, and now Jess is making blueberry jam. So, won't be long. We'll be able to spread that on some bread and be some healthy eating.